If you're a roofing contractor, you'd want to watch this video right now, okay? Because a lot of people are getting this wrong, and it's one of the most simplest things I've come across in marketing your business. So, you want attention from people, homeowners who are looking for your service, who are actively searching for roofing contractors, and you'd want to get their attention without having to fight, claw, scratch against 5, 7 other contractors who's going for the same person at the same time. So how do you accomplish that? Let's look at it simply. What we are looking at in front of us is the keyword planner. This is pretty much like public data. It's free. You can certainly sign in with your Gmail and basically be able to see how many people, how many homeowners around you are looking for your service, and also what is it that they're typing in into their phone, typing in into the computer when they are looking for your service. So I put in here for Jacksonville, as you can see, it tells us that for the word roofing Jacksonville FL, there's 1,600 people every single month searching for exactly this term around Jacksonville, Florida, when they're looking for roofers. And guys, this is based on the last 12 months of data, so it's pretty stable. What the next thing would be is to find out where are they currently going? Who are they being led to, right? So I take this word and I search it in myself, and this is what the homeowners are seeing. You know, the cards are on the table. Nothing is hidden. You do a search and we are able to see who are the top guys who are getting that business, right? Doesn't it make sense that every single month, if there's 1,600 people searching for this term, you know, they're actively searching for it, it just makes sense that somebody out of these top positions would get the call, would get some attention, would get at least a click to their business profile. That makes sense, right? And yes, they do. Right? If you check recent stats, actually, it's saying that over 55 to almost 60% of the traffic is going to somebody from the maps. So it's in our best bet to be in the top 3. Now, you must be thinking, right? These guys have been probably around for decades, and they've spent thousands and thousands and tens and thousands of dollars, probably like millions, maybe. Some people think so. Some people told me that they're spending millions of dollars in their marketing, and that's why they're up there. And that's just not true. Okay. These guys are up here for a few. There's some things that they're doing right, but generally speaking, I want to break down a few of the things that they are definitely doing right. Okay, so I picked the top guy, AG Wells Roofing. You can see their website is right here, and I plugged them into SEMrush. This is one of the biggest tools to see back-end strategies companies are using to get a leverage in the search results. So let's take a look. Currently, their customer base in the winter, they're getting about 256 customers coming to their business. This is huge. These are 256 people coming to their business who are super qualified. Just take a moment to realize this. People are searching for roofers, then they're coming down, finding them, clicking on their business here, and then becoming a statistic here. So this number are the homeowners who are already checking out their business, checking out their services, checking out if they have financing, checking out when they can give an estimate. They're already highly qualified people. Google tells us that out of this, about 20% would turn into potential customers. Again, hint, take a moment to realize that. Okay, 442 people are coming to their business. If 20%, I'm really bad at math, guys. I know I look Indian, but yeah, I'm not that good. Anyways, 88 potential leads they are bringing in every single month because of this visibility, right? If you call up this customer right now, and if they're tracking this, I can bet you that number is going to be somewhere around that. Anywhere from 60 to 80 people are being brought in from their visibility here on the lower end. Okay, so what does that mean for your business? It's just as simple as that, right? You know, to get an idea for what kind of return on investment these companies are getting from this. Like I said, the only thing that is really left from this sector is how did they get up there? And that starts with backlinks. Now, guys, this is an ad. I'm not going to go into exactly break down what they are doing, but what I will do is invite you to check this guide out, okay? Click this link. You'll be able to come to this guide right here, step by step. It even has a little table of contents at the top. You can check out, brief through. There's no credit card. There's no place where I'm selling anything whatsoever. I'm just trying to show a step-by-step plan that we have done for several roofers, which has worked out really well. Right? Literally, you'll be able to see exactly how to find the keywords for your city, what you'd have to do for the map packs to get, actually ready for the foundation, and then how to generate reviews. We'll show you some killer techniques to get reviews as far as 10, 20 real reviews and every single month. You'll be able to get this with the review generation techniques I'm showing you, and you'll be well on your way to be a foundation, to have a foundation for your business, which will actually bring in customers organically. Okay, so I'll leave it at that. I'll see you on the other side.